Hi guys, good to see you again. I'm back with meal planning essentials for the family focused on gut health. Today, I'll show you how you can take a few key ingredients and apply them to multiple recipes throughout the week. This will give you the ability to customize meals to your own liking. Let's get started. When planning your meals, remember to choose a quick set of easy recipes. You can utilize your crock pot or Instant Pot for stress-free meal prep, and choose staple ingredients like lean proteins, healthy fats, and/or seasonal vegetables. This week's meal prep will include an avocado mac and cheese bar, barbecue pulled chicken sandwiches, and Greek wraps with tzatziki sauce. First step is chopping your toppings for the mac and cheese bar. You want to make sure to use a sharp knife and a sturdy cutting board. I like to choose a variety of colorful vegetables for toppings as they contribute functional nutrients like fiber and antioxidants to your diet. Once you have your items chopped, like this red bell pepper, put it in a container with a lid and pop it in the fridge so you can use it throughout the week. Next, we're going to make the tzatziki sauce for the Greek wraps. You can also use this as a dip for vegetables. Tzatziki sauce is a simple recipe including plain Greek yogurt, dill, lemon juice, garlic, and cucumbers. What I like about this sauce is that it contains probiotics from the yogurt and prebiotics from the garlic, making it a perfect combo for gut nourishment. Lastly, it's time to prep the chicken for the barbecue pulled chicken sandwiches. Keep in mind that you can also use the chicken for the Greek wraps or as a topping for the mac and cheese. Using the Instant Pot, I combined Simple Truth chicken broth with the Simple Truth chicken breast and placed it on high for about 30 minutes. This makes it quick and simple to shred the chicken. Now, our prep work for the week is done. And as you can see, a little bit of prep goes a long way. For the week, we have the avocado mac and cheese, the Greek pita wraps, barbecue pulled chicken sandwiches, and extra vegetables for toppings and/or snacks. All of these nutrient-dense foods combined support overall wellness. For the full recipes, make sure to click the links below. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. We'll see you next time.